Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. So, today I'm going to solve some HackerRank problems. So, recently I started learning about data structures and algorithms, and I'm trying to figure out actually where I stand in data structures. So, basically, I completed the linked list portion only. So, what I will do is I will start with very easy problems of linked list, and as I progress, I will keep uploading videos and I will keep explaining all the topics that I have learned so that I can help you to get through this path. So, many of us actually struggle through these data structures and algorithm portion because it is very tough. But once you start learning, it becomes easy. So, let me take you to one of the problems. So, I have selected some very basic problems. You can see, and this is one of the problems called print the elements of a linked list. So it will print the elements of a linked list. Let's see the problem. Okay, so what it is telling is that this is to practice traversing a linked list and given pointer to the head node of a linked list. Each node's data element print each node's data element and one per line, and if the head pointer is null, then the indicating the list is empty and there is nothing to print. Okay, so the functional description is complete the print linked list function in the editor below. The print linked list has the following parameters: singly linked list node head, a reference to head of the list. Okay, and for each node print its data on a new line. Okay, so what I have to do basically is I have to complete this print linked list function. So it is written in C++. Okay, so the entire linked list has been written already. So what I have to do is I have to complete the print linked list function. So what it will do actually, let me see. So the input format, this is the most important part, the input and the output section. So the input is the first line of input contains the n number of elements in a linked list, and next n lines will contain n lines will contain one element in that line. So there will be n lines and the data values for each node. Okay, so it will contain the data values of n nodes. So okay, so the sample input is 2, 16 and 13, and the sample output is 16 and 13. Okay, okay, so I am pointing to the head. Let me see what they have done. They have actually called the insert node, and they have done everything. I can see they have done everything. So I have to print the linked list. So to print the linked list, the code is actually if you okay, so you can do one thing. You can directly print the head, increase the head element, or you can create a temporary pointer. So I will directly use the head element, though it is not recommended. So while head not equal to null, so what I will do is I will traverse the linked list. So the first element will be, what I have to do actually is head is the pointer that contains the that is linked to the first element. So the data in the head will be the first element actually. So I have to print the data of head data, then okay. So let me see if it is new line or not. Yes, it is new line. So after printing each data, I have to do endl for new line. Okay. So after this, head equal to head points to next. So this will keep iterating. That's basically it. I don't think there is anything else except this. Yes, it passed. So let's see if I executed it successfully or not. All test cases passed. So thank you guys for watching. All test cases have been passed. So this is how you traverse the linked list. Okay, so that's it for this video. I got 10 points. Okay, I got 5 points for this, and I am 10 points away from the first star. So I will keep on bringing this kind of videos so that you can enjoy and you can learn something. So as I continue learning, I will share my experience with you guys, and make sure to like, share and subscribe to get more awesome content. Thank you.